So we are not sure what to eat, Maggi or momos. Shubh, tell me, what do you want to eat?
We'll eat momos at night and then have Maggi. Quickly now.
Or do you want to eat momos now and we can eat garlic bread at night?
No, I'm not eating. I'm not saying.
So Maggi it is.
Okay, what's today's special recipe by Chef Dharti?
Vegetable Maggi. So you know that Maggi is very versatile. You can cook it in any flavor and any type. So I like vegetable Maggi, since the Maggi which we get here, if we cook it without vegetables, then it doesn't taste that good. So I like the Maggi with the vegetables. So for that I cut onions, chilies, tomato, bell pepper, peas and Maggi,
You need Maggi.
and also this piece. You need peas. So as you can see that I have taken this bada top, and you should put only 3 tablespoons of oil, not 3 table. Like I said yesterday, don't do that. Pause it.
I'm a cheerleader.
It will fall. It will fall. It will fall. That is garbage bag. After the oil is hot enough, put chilies.
किधर किधर है?
Don't mind our friend Ryan talking in the background. He is actually playing. So don't get startled if you hear someone screaming. So now we'll put onions.
I only watched yesterday's video.
Yeah. You are a late luck sister.
I feel embarrassed.
Why?
So much myself.
It's okay. So let the onions cook till they get golden brown. As you know the drill, the basic drill of onion. Cut.
So, how I saw coriander is we keep the stems separately and the leaves separately.
You
And
make
we
chutney
can
on
use these stems for chutney.
being creative.
हाँ चलना भाग.
So as you can see, our onions are ready. I've added 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of red chili powder because we like it a little spicy. We'll close the lid so the vegetables get cooked properly and fast. So now I added 4 pack of Maggi masala, which came inside that pack. Since we guys are 4 people, we eat the whole thing. I'll mix it well. Close it with the lid for some time. Water.
जीत सकते हैं.
This was 800 ml of water. You can add water more if you want. I'll again close it so that it boils.
वो एक RPG छोड़ा वो खुद भी डाउन उसका टीम मेंबर भी डाउन.
Since the masala is boiling, it's time to put
अभी कौन था?
Maggi. We have garlic powder and we like the taste of garlic in our Maggi, so I'll put very little powder. Little. And then I'll add some pepper.
उधर ट्रक के अंदर कुछ करेगा. बस के अंदर कुछ करेगा तेरे राइट.
In 10 minutes your Maggi will be ready. You can add Szechuan sauce or sriracha sauce or hot sauce, whatever you want in the Maggi, but right now we are not eating that kind of Maggi, so we are not putting it now. We usually put little sriracha and little tomato ketchup so that it enhances the taste. I also saw this one recipe of achari Maggi online. We made it once, but it was good, right, Shu?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good, and I put 1 spoon of achar. I think it was like I put little less achar. That's why we couldn't taste the achar, but it was good. It was like shockingly good. No, not shockingly, surprisingly good. Yeah. We have a lot of time in quarantine, so we try to cook varieties of dishes at home. Since we are free now, once our college starts, we won't be able to cook a lot of different things. And being an Indian, being a Mumbaikar, we crave for a lot of street food. So I try to make them. So tonight I'm going to make momos. For the first time I'll make momos. I hope they turn out to be great.
You saw this magic crusher in our last vlog. We crushed vegetables with the help of that, sliced, and today we are going to make chutney out of it. So we use this coriander stems, ginger, garlic, green chilies, and some salt.
We don't have a mixer, so this is a jugaad. Not bad. So we guys are going out, and I don't really have denim shorts. Shubh has it, so she's wearing her. And the jeans which I gave her as a gift, she's
Giving it back.
she's giving it back, and she's making it. No, she's tearing it.
Cutting.
She's cutting. What the fuck is wrong with me? She's cutting and she's turning the jeans into shorts.
Because it's really hot outside.
Yeah, it's really hot, and I can't really wear denim jeans. And I hope it looks good on me. Let's see, I'll show you guys. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. Okay, it's okay for you are going to take this.
You can't go inside, right? Water is
You can go.
water is dirty.
It's not dirty. There is this park, Somerset Park. It's near the house. So we came and it looks so beautiful. We are going out of house, like we're going out somewhere like after a month. Except grocery shopping. That's Ryan. Fuck, it's looking very nice. Come, Ryan. She only wants to take pictures. That's why she comes out.
Over there, the sun is coming. But it's only in the center. On the
We were feeling so sad since like we were inside the house in so many days, and we saw in the news that in Canada the coronavirus is in bit control, and especially where we stay there are not lot of cases, so we thought of going out. And still the parks and everything are sealed. Like you can't play in the park, but you can obviously walk. If you have a dog, then you can walk your dog, and you can at least go for a jog or just walk. So sometimes to feel better, it's good that you go out and you just go out, And even if you go out for like 2 hours or 1 hour, your mind gets so fresh, and you feel so good automatically. So that's why we went out after so many days, or else we just go for groceries, or that's it. Okay guys, be careful. Okay guys, be careful if you are going out. Maintain social distance, 6 feet. Take precautions, and stay safe, stay healthy.